Ariana, and I am going to make a. What am I going to make? I don't know what I'm going to make
I'm stupid!
yet. I will find something and I will make it. It's a surprise.
Surprise, motherfucker.
But you will find out soon. But it's a surprise for me. So, yes. So I decided to make some veggie burritos and make some flour tortillas from scratch, and it was fun. So yeah, let's get started with the video, or whatever they say. Yep. Get started with the rice. So we used 2 cups of rice and I gave it a nice rinse. I used the pot because I don't have a rice cooker. And I put my 3 cups of water. And I put my 2 cups of rice in there. Boom. I added some olive oil. Pretty sure it's like 1 tablespoon. Some sugar, some salt. And stirred it up. And put a lid over it. Cover it. And that's what it should look like. Let's work with the beans now. Beautiful black beans. And you open up your lid. Open up your can. And it's a very hard situation to do with one hand, and so I decided to use 2. And boom, you want to drain your bean juice, and yeah, so you want to cut your onion off. Okay, so you're gonna cut your onion, and you need a little piece. I think it's like a fourth, not a fourth, an eighth. I don't know. I don't do measurements. You wanna cut it and make it nice. Don't cut your fingers. Remember, safety is key. Don't cut your fingers. You need fingers to do a lot of things, like pick up your phone. I don't know. Don't come at me for that. Okay, so we're gonna cut your onion with a knife. And you want to put some olive oil in a pan like so, and you want to give it an even coat of olive oil, and you want to put your onion. Look at that. Stir it up a little bit, and when it turns translucent or have a golden color, I can't cook, sorry. You want to give it a little stir, and once they are translucent, you want to add your beans. Where's that part? Okay, it's coming up. Beans. Boom. You want to give it a nice stir, and you want to add a cup of water. Don't forget to add your salt if you want to. I added a little bit. Where is it? There we go. Some Himalayan pink salt, because I'm fancy. And you want to let them boil or whatever, and it should look like that. Let's work for tortillas now, because I don't know, I had tortillas, but I decided to make my own from scratch. I will list the measurements down below in my the box down below. Okay, so we're going to stir it up nice with your hands. See, I did it for myself, so I used my hands, so it's okay. I'm not gonna sell them. I cut my little ball of dough into 6 pieces so I can have 6 little balls of dough. I made 6 tortillas. We're still gonna stir at it. Getting cut. There we go. And you wanna roll it. Don't forget to put a little bit more flour because it gets stuck to your rolling pan. I don't know. You want to put on your skillet, let it cook or whatever, and you want to flip it with your hands because we Mexican in here. Okay, I made like 6. They thick. Okay, they're very hard to roll, so I said I give up. So yeah, there we go. So some corn. Why is it going so fast? Okay, where am I at? Oh, I'm making guacamole now. Guacamole, and we're cutting avocado. Cutting avocado. Cutting an avocado. Yeah, we're cutting avocado, and yeah, it should look like that. Beautiful. Imagine if it was brown. Like, imagine if I opened it and it was brown. And we want to spoon the avocado. You want to get the little skin out. Skin. Is it skin? Yeah, it's skin. And oh, it wasn't cooperating. It was very mean. I tried to take the insides out, but it wasn't cooperating. And yeah, so there it is. And we're gonna put another one because who doesn't like guacamole? Well, I do. I don't know about you. I don't know if you like guacamole or not. So boom. We want to add some lemon. That's a beautiful squeeze right there. And you want to add some salt, pepper, and all that stuff you want to add to your guacamole. I added all that, and I also added tomatoes. Oh, you want to smash your avocado. You want to add tomatoes if you want to. It's whatever you want. It's whatever floats your boat. I added tomatoes. How many times am I gonna say that? And yeah, I added to my guacamole, like so, like that. Oh, I love that woman. And cilantro, like so, like that, cause that's your business. Oh, stop. Okay, so so you wanna put in your guacamole, like so, like that. And see, we're gonna assemble our burrito, and we put beans, rice, and where's the other part? Some corn. Boom. I added some guacamole too. There we go. Ooh. Ah. I had a little extra because this ain't Chipotle. They can't be stingy in here, okay? So I added extra. Boom. We're gonna try to wrap it. I used to work at Taco Bell, so I kind of know how to wrap it, but I forgot. I'm still struggling. If you know how to wrap a burrito, let me know. Put some clear instructions in there, or show me a link. I don't know. Do a video, and we're gonna cut it into a nice 2 pieces, so we can be basic or whatever. Beautiful. Look at the inside. Wow. Oh, you can also make a burrito bowl. I kind of like it like that too. You can use your tortilla that you made earlier and like make a little spoon and be Mexican. I like to do this too because it makes me feel Mexican. So yeah. I'm sorry I didn't record a outro, so enjoy this beautiful picture of me doing a peace sign. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I am gonna make more random videos like this. So if you want to subscribe, go right ahead, and if not, well, that's nice. Thank you for watching.